The pinstripe suit is often dismissed as too dandyish, too 80s corporate, or simply too bold for today's menswear. But I would like to challenge that perception. A well-styled pinstripe suit offers versatility and incredible expression that deserves a place in the modern gentleman's wardrobe. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to style two different pinstripe suits, from business formal to surprisingly casual. Let's get started. Let's start with this classic charcoal double-breasted pinstripe, styled for formal settings. I've chosen a textured grey wool tie against a crisp white shirt. This high contrast combination honors the formality that a double-breasted suit naturally has. The burgundy pocket square introduces just a touch of personality to an otherwise conservative ensemble. This illustrates an important principle. When dressing formally, introduce just one spicy element while keeping everything else restrained. I believe this small creative touch elevates your style without compromising appropriateness for business settings. I wouldn't shy away from the double-breasted pinstripe for formal occasions. When styled with intention, it conveys sartorial knowledge rather than appearing outdated. For our second formal interpretation, I am demonstrating how a pinstripe suit offers unexpected opportunities for pattern mixing. Here I've paired it with a striped linen shirt. The key to making this work is varying the scale of the stripes. The shirt stripes are significantly different in width from the suit's pinstripes, creating harmony rather than competition. The purple tie complements the blue striped shirt, while the pocket square in blue, white and yellow completes the look. For those interested in color theory, purple and yellow are complementary colors. I believe the small yellow accent in the pocket square creates an interesting visual focal point. This look maintains formality while showing more personality. Perfect for creative, professional environments or occasions where you want to appear polished but not rigid. An additional tip for choosing a striped suit: make sure the stripes are not too high in contrast to the color of the suit to avoid that gangster look. Now, dressing down a charcoal pinstripe suit presents an interesting challenge. While pinstripes naturally lean formal, there are ways to style them casually to maximize versatility. I've swapped the formal shirt for this chambray shirt with its natural texture and casual character. By foregoing the tie, we immediately shift the formality downward. The pocket square remains as a creative element. I like to use accessories as an opportunity for personal expression. When would you wear this? If you appreciate sartorial style, this makes for a sophisticated weekend outfit for dining out, cultural events or even a date. The textured shirt against the formal structure of the suit creates an intentional high-low contrast that looks very tasteful and intentional. Other options: a black shirt for warmer days or a black roll-neck sweater for colder days. Now let's move to our light gray single-breasted pinstripe. This is a wonderful option that works particularly well with brighter complexion and hair. Lighter suits naturally feel more appropriate for spring and summer and a bit less formal than their darker counterparts. For a formal look with a light suit, make sure that you choose a dark tie and a light shirt for creating contrast. For this formal interpretation, I've paired the suit with a blue shirt and a navy tie with a floral pattern. The darker tie creates enough contrast against the light suit to maintain formality, while the subtle pattern adds interest. This combination would be equally effective with a charcoal or navy suit, showcasing the versatility of well-chosen accessories. For our second formal option with a light pinstripe, I've chosen a classic white shirt with this pink tie. While a pink tie might initially seem too flamboyant for formal situations, warmer seasons allow for more color expression. Consider this your perfect Friday look if you find it pushes formal boundaries a bit. This combination demonstrates how personal style can coexist with traditional guidelines. We've established conventions for tailored clothing, yes, but we can thoughtfully bend them to express our individual aesthetic preferences while remaining appropriate, especially in this modern age. Would you agree? For our final look, I'll be honest, finding a truly casual styling for a light pinstripe presented challenges. A roll-neck sweater didn't quite convince me, so I opted for this textured linen shirt without a tie. Is this the most versatile casual option in your wardrobe? Perhaps not. A navy blazer might serve you better for purely casual settings. However, for the sartorial-minded gentleman who wants to maximize the wear of his pinstripe suit, this approach works for daytime social occasions. This outfit represents the casual limit of the pinstripe suit, showing that while it may not be the first choice for casual wear, it can still be styled appropriately for less formal settings. The pinstripe suit, when approached with intention and understanding, offers far more versatility than it's often given credit for. Whether in its natural formal habitat or pushed toward more casual expressions, it offers a unique canvas for personal style. Which of these looks would you be most likely to wear? Do you own a pinstripe suit or have you been considering one for your wardrobe? Let me know in the comments down below.